The summer heat is just around the corner, just waiting to suffocate us. And you won't be happy if you can't use your air conditioner to the full. So today we're going to show you how to use your air conditioner wisely. One thing you should be aware of is that if you don't use your AC properly, you will literally pay for the consequence via your electricity bill. Number 1. Open the window to ventilate air. Let the hot air out and then close the window for efficient cooling of the air. Number 2. Keep the temperature setting low and set the window speed to the fastest. When you first turn on the AC on, it consumes energy to the fullest for a certain amount of time. So run your AC on the lowest temperature possible for about 5 minutes. And then use an electric fan or circulator to make the cool air circulate around faster. Then keep the temperature at 23 to 26 degrees Celsius. Why so? Because the energy consumption differs depending on the temperature setting. And this temperature is just the right temperature that is the most pleasant and energy saving at the same time. Number 3. Use curtains. Curtains block direct sunshine and thus prevents the room temperature from rising. So in this case, blackout curtains would work the best. Number 4. Clean your AC filter periodically. Ideally, once every 2 weeks. Clean the filter will enable the AC to run more efficiently. Keep all the steps mentioned previously. Keep the temperature 26 degrees Celsius for 10 hours and you won't be bombarded with high electricity bill. Run it that way for more than 10 hours? That I actually don't know what will happen. Sorry. And many people mistakenly think that using dehumidifier on the AC will save your bill. Not true. In fact, it's actually better to run your AC on 26 degrees Celsius. In case you want to dehumidify your place, then run your AC on 23 degrees Celsius, the most apt temperature setting for dehumidification. And this is the advice by air conditioner technician. Now, let me explain about the remote control now. Please keep in mind that terms on the controllers may vary depending on the manufacturer and model type. 운전 선택 or 운전 mode is the button to select the air conditioner mode. 바람 세기 is a feature which you can use to adjust the wind speed. 꺼짐 예약 is the feature that automatically turns off the air conditioner at the set time. 켜짐 예약 is the opposite function that automatically turns on the AC at the set time. Some controllers have these functions together in one button. These buttons would usually be read as 예약 운전. One more thing, if there's a 예약 해제 button, then press this button and all the set functions will be cancelled. If you don't see this button, then go to time settings. If you see 0, then that's the 예약 해제, which is cancel reservation function. 파워풍 in the left image and turbo 운전 in the right image are the functions that make the AC run with fastest wind speed. 자동 풍향 is a function that automatically adjusts the direction of the wind to blow upwards or downwards, etc. 상하바람 and 좌우바람 allows you to choose whether to have the wind blow upwards and downwards, or to the left or to the right, respectively. Lastly, 송풍 is a function that lets out wind without using refrigerant. Before turning off your AC, run the AC on 송풍 for about 10 minutes. And this will dry the inside of the AC and will prevent it from getting molded. These are the most common and necessary functions that you would need to use. If your remote functions are written otherwise, or if you want to know what other functions are used for, please press like and subscribe. Then leave us a comment and let us know the manufacturer and the model type of your AC, and we will try to get back to you on it. Thanks. Bye.